Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I want presentation about ontology and function ontology for science. My name is Ferira Febri Arianti and you can call me Febri. My ID number is 2006011100079. In this video, I want presentation about what is an ontology, biography ontologist, categories of ontology, and the last, function ontology for science. What is an ontology? Ontology stands for a logical discourse of existence. Its aim to uncover and describe the nature and structure of things. Predominantly, the domain of philosophy known as metaphysics and associated with philosophers much as Plato or Hobbes and Aristotle or empirics. For example, address questions such as number 1, what does it mean to be? Number 2, what constitutes the identify of an object? Number 3, what categories can we sort existing things? Ontologies, when communicate to others, foster a shared understanding of things. History of ontology. The term ontology was first introduced by Rudolf Cuclenius in order to give a name about the nature which is metaphysical. So it can be said that metaphysics or also ontology is a branch of philosophy that discusses the principle of the foundation or the deepest of everything that exists. Greek figures who have a known ontological view are like Thales, Plato, and Aristotle. Thales is famous as a philosopher who once came to the conclusion that water is the innermost substance from which all things originate. But what is more important is his position that is possible that everything originates from is a single substance. The popular ontologists we have known is Aristotle and Galen. Who is Aristotle? Aristotle, he is first systematic taxonomy of biology, classification of organisms by shared properties, and use binomial genus differentia nomenclature. Galen, he is systematic description of disease, sign, and symptom. In the Fabrium differentia description of fever symptom, he used the Aristotelian genus differentia approach. Categories ontology. So we know most popular categories ontology it's 4. Number 1 monism, 2 dualism, 3 nihilism, and the last pluralism. What is monism? Monism, the belief that there is only reality for one sort of thing that is real. Monism, the definition, a monistic is a teaching with only essential substance or principle. An example of monistic is the belief in pantheism of or pertaining to monism, characteristic by one single principle, being or force. Dualism. There are two kinds of reality or two sorts of real things. Dualism. Example of epistemological dualisms are being and to subject and object and sense, datum and thing. Example of metaphysical dualism are God and the world, matter and spirit, body and mind, and good and evil. Nihilism. They feel nothing is real or that nothing deserves to exist. Nihilism is extreme skepticism about existence and about religious or moral principles, a desire for the complete rejection of the established order or social system. A religious principle is an example of nihilism. The doctrine that nothing actually exists or that existence or values are meaningless. It's pluralism. Function ontology for science. Function ontology for science. Ontology, which is one of the philosophical studies of science that has benefits including the following: helping to develop and criticize the various structures of the existing thinking system, helping to solve the problem of relation pattern between various existence and existence. It can be explored in deep in various scientific domains and problems from science to ethics. This ontology is suitable for people who want to understand the whole world about this world and is useful for empirical studies. For example, is anthropology, physics, mathematics, medicine, and other. So, in this video, we can conclude that ontology studies about an object that is in line with science, its manifestation, and its relationship with human grasping power. Thus, producing knowledge, this ontology is worth studying for people who want to understand the whole world about this, and it is useful for empirical studies, for example, anthropology, physics, mathematics, medicine, and other. The author can conclude that ontology is one of the most ancient fields of philosophical investigation. Ontology comes from Greek, which means the theory of existence as being. Basically, ontology talks about the nature of an object or thing. Essence here means the real reality or not a temporary, deceptive, and changing reality. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, you can like, and if you have any question, you can comment in this video. See you later and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.